Hello, we are RDET, a group specializing in laser and CNC solutions. We would like to introduce the process of utilizing the built-in camera feature of the multi-purpose fiber laser marking system, MAGIC-L3. The small camera located at the back of the laser head on the MAGIC-L3 enables easy and rapid design creation. The dedicated design software, MagicEngrave Laser, allows you to activate the built-in camera, thereby enhancing convenience during the design creation process. First, secure the pendant to be engraved in the flat vise. It is also possible to place the pendant directly on the workbench without using a basic vise. Connect the PC and USB cable that you will be using. After launching MagicEngrave TM Laser, click Turn on the Camera checkbox in the upper right corner to activate the camera feature. Click the T icon at the top to enter text. After entering the text, proceed with selecting the font and aligning it to the center. Even if the materials are not aligned, you can use the built-in camera to verify and adjust the position of the design. Let's also mark the Magic logo image onto the pendant along with the text. Let's also mark the Magic logo image onto the pendant along with the text. In the upper right corner of the toolpath selection area, select Scanline Toolpath. When generating the toolpath, it is highlighted in orange, and you can observe it being marked on the surface of the material with the laser. Click on Magic Laser under Connected Engravers to set up the marking settings. Once the marking settings are complete, click Start Engraving to begin the process. Jewelry Industrial Laser Marking, Multi-Purpose Fiber Laser Marking Machine, MAGIC-L3. Visit www.redtinc.com for further information. To receive updates on our products, follow us on Instagram, Magic Engraver, and Facebook Magic, Jewelry Engraver. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, REDT Incorporated.